Okay, here we are. This is a 1990 Volkswagen Jetta GL with a 1.6 non-turbo diesel engine. Just got done doing a clutch job. The clutch was bad, so did that. Took a few days because it was kind of hard. Anyway, here's what I got going on. Got everything together, went to turn it on, and I get nothing. Well, actually, I get something. I get no click at the starter solenoid. And so what I've been doing is just kind of playing around with wiring and everything. We're just testing some continuity of different stuff. Anyway, don't even know what half that stuff means. But here's what I got. Key in, off, first position, no glow plug light. These lights come on, the brake and seatbelt light. Seatbelt light goes off as it should. Radio on, turn the vehicle on. Nothing. Radio goes off, blinking coolant light goes off, and the coolant is actually low. I do need to top it off. Put it back in, or into the first position. Blinking light comes on, brake light stays on. Turn to the off position. Brake light dims, stays on. Coolant light continues to blink. And to discharge it, I do this. All lights are off. So pretty much have no idea. I have tested, excuse me, I tested for power as per Bentley to this post. In the on position I get power, do get power at the glow plug, 12 volts with it in the starting position. This thing, what is that? That puppy, that's intact but a little bent up. I probably need to look at that a little closer. And so that's what I got. If anybody has any ideas, please let me know. Thanks.